It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, it's Miss Janita back again with another video for from the garden. I'm showing you this jism plant that I started, grew from seed. It's still hanging in there. The flowers are really white and snowy white. Very pretty flowers. Very tiny, but very beautiful tiny flowers. It's hanging in there, grown from seed. Can't believe it, but I'm keeping this alive. And just want to share that. And I will be shouting out, something's on fire over here. I can see the smoke. Oh, distraction. But anyway, I'll be shouting out in the beginning of the video the folks that joined the plant story last week. Okay, so go check out their channels, support them, and most of all, don't forget to support the other gardening content creators. Okay guys, and on that note, I'm out. Until the next time, happy gardening. I'll see you on the next one.